What is the best way to set opening hours for multiple queues? If you have access to advanced flows, it's to use the timing applet. First, we choose a call queue to be our basis for all the queues that follow on from it. I'm going to use a queue that I've got called master queue. Click edit on that and scroll down to the opening hours and set those. So let us say the opening hours are 9 to 4, Monday to Friday, and I click add on that. As you may notice, I'm recording this video just before Christmas. If I want to make exceptions for Christmas Day, I can navigate to Christmas Day, click the trash can icon in the bottom right for that day, and delete just that selected occurrence. I can repeat for any other exceptions I might have. Once I'm happy, click the Save button. In the flow page, I'm going to create a new flow, give it a name, click OK. We can use this technique on both call flows and message flows. We're in a call flow at the moment, so let's use that. I use the timing applet, and I select to use the opening hours based on a call queue, and I choose the call queue that I just defined my opening hours for. I then choose what happens if we are open and choose a different thing if we are closed. In the case of being within opening hours, perhaps I'm going to send this to a queue. And of course, I can choose any of my other queues to send to. I'd save this, and now any changes I make to the opening hours to my master queue will also affect calls coming through to premium service calls, if they come through this flow.